Hey guys, we're here at Blackhawk. This is the first time we've seen the car fully assembled. So yeah, I just gave you a quick shot of it. I'm gonna give you one more real quick. The thing looks awesome. You can see the SaBelt belt sitting in there, along with a lot of other goodies. More to come, more updates. Check it out. Love you guys. Hey guys, Fastest Pastor here. Hey, just a little update. As you guys can hear, the car's running in the background. Yesterday, a good day of testing. We shook some things out. Engine performed flawlessly. Transmission's doing great. Cooling seems to be working. We had an issue with power steering pump. We got that alleviated. Today we're working on ABS and downshifts. We got Andrew, our pro driver. He's the one shaking down the car for us. I'll be getting into it a little later today. But also, let me show you something else I'm excited about. I believe this is my racing suit from SaBelt. So let's open it. I'm excited about this. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this is it. This is my race suit, which I am digging. Bam! There it is, guys. From SaBelt. I'm digging it. As always, Erik has done a good job. I'm totally digging this. So super excited to have my race suit finally. Hopefully it fits. But anyways, stay tuned. We'll have more updates on how the day went today, shaking down Bernice, but she's doing good. Super happy with yesterday. So stay tuned. God bless you guys. Love you guys.